Welcome to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to scan a PayPal QR code to make a payment or send money fast. Updated for 2025. Step 1. Open the PayPal app on your smartphone. Step 2. Tap the Scan Pay button located at the bottom of the home screen. Step 3. Your camera will activate. Point it at the PayPal QR code you want to scan. Step 4. Once scanned, the app will instantly show the merchant's or user's name. Step 5. Enter the amount you want to pay. Step 6. Choose your payment method: PayPal balance, linked card, or bank. Step 7. Tap Send or Pay to complete the transaction. Step 8. You'll get a confirmation screen and a receipt by email. Make sure your app has camera permissions enabled. Always verify the recipient's name before paying. Quick and simple. That's how to scan a QR code with PayPal. Don't forget to subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tech tutorials.